for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500.
The Chevy Silverado 1500 is the perfect combination of functionality, reliability, and technology. The impressive interior is simply another reason that the Chevy Silverado is a top choice among truck buyers.
This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, CD player, compass, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, Sirius Satellite Radio, HD radio, overhead console, tachometer, rear view camera. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.